Good morning guys, today I would like to show you all camera settings on iPhone. To reach your camera settings, you have to enter the settings at first, then find and select camera, and let's go with all the options. So at first you can change the format. Click here to set either high efficiency or most compatible, whatever you like. Then go back, it would be already set. Then you can go to preserve settings, and here you can activate camera mode, you can enable creative controls, activate depth control, or turn on or off live photo. Then under record video, you can change the video resolution here, and there is also the same option for slow motion. You can also activate or deactivate recording stereo sound, use volume up for burst, you can activate QR code scanner, you can activate show detected text, and then you've got some composition settings. So you can activate grid, level or mirror front camera, however you like. Then you've got the photo capture options, so you can activate the feature to faster shooting, so it will adapt the image quality when rapidly pressing the shutter. And at the bottom of the list, of the camera settings list, you've got smart HDR, or you can activate keep normal photo. So this is it. Here you've got all camera settings. You can customize it however you like and then smoothly grab pictures in preferred setup. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.